Good morning. Oh, it's a bit chilly. I don't know why I'm sounding surprised. It's mid-November. But it is cold. We're going to crack on. I've got I've got my mic in, so hopefully the audio is going to be better. We've got a bramble to get rid of, because we're going to start working on the compost, that bottom corner of plot 25. Before I have a coffee, kind of work for my coffee. So yeah, let's go down there. Let's have a little walk, because I'll show you the pond. I'll make sure I put this on. I'll show you the pond, you know, because it was very sunny yesterday. I couldn't really see it with the shade, but it's because it's cloudy. You can really see it a lot better, the levels. You should be able to. Deep, medium. I mean, I think I'm going to sort of make the level. Oh look, someone's been digging. That wasn't there before. A little hole, but I will sort of work on those levels. But that's as far as I got, and obviously a lot of the earth to level off this has happened, which is great. But something's definitely, well, maybe a fox, I don't know. But they certainly kind of, they like to sort of dig away at the what do you call it? Wood chip. Right. So down there's a big bramble. I just need I actually left my spade out. Oh no. Yeah, so I need a fork. I need cardboard to line the compost bins, or compost bin. See which one we do first. So I'll take that. Oh, and pruning thingy-majiggies. Oh no. I'm dropping stuff. Oh. I have to get hooks up there. I mean, I need to carry on with the ceiling. But they're all for rainy days. I do need to cut another one. So I think I'll do that at home over the weekend. Right. Oh, gloves. Oh gosh. Ew. Right. I'll see you down there. Right, bramble, cutting it back and then digging it up. That's the plan. I've also got a council bag to put it in because I don't want it in the compost. Plenty of other stuff can go in there, not bramble, just in case. Right. Oh. It's really trailing as well, so it's good to get rid of it. Oh, do you know what? This grass getting in the way. Oh. You can see me, yeah. It's a whole nother day because I went home, went to edit, and after the time lapse of the doing that, all of that work, it was all the audio had gone. So I have I have to be careful because I'm not with this new media mod, and it's not brand new. I reckon it's been refurbished. I have to be careful that the audio is being recorded, so I have done a little test. So it's a whole nother day. Oh gosh, it's just never ending, these audio issues. I've left a plank in the pond just in case anything gets in there. I will leave something proper, and yeah, I mean, nothing was in it when I came, so that's good. But the sooner I can get it, sort of this done, finished, the better. I don't have anything to cover it. There's nothing I have in this place. I don't have any like tarp or anything like that. So hopefully that will be okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, what to do, because this is like I'm trying to do an outro badly. It's, yeah, got things to do, so it's a shame about the audio, but never mind. It will work itself out. Seedlings are still alive, which is great. I could probably strim because everything is very dry, so I might do that. I'm just going to do a bit of strimming on time lapse while I'm here. Oh no, forget that. The battery's in the basket, which is at home. I've come completely unprepared. Right, I'm going to come off, see if I can find a job to do while I'm here, instead of just sort of walking around aimlessly. And I'll be back. See you in a minute. Right, this is the second bramble, which is kind of going a bit nuts. So this needs to come out like I did the first bramble over there near the compost bin. So I've decided I'm going to cut this back and then dig it out. And I will add it to my bag. It's funny about that actually. The council, we just got a note from the council through our door. Can you see? All right. Saying they're going to charge us for green waste collection. Well, I mean, you can opt in, so if you don't pay, it doesn't get collected. Can you see that? Yeah, I think so. I mean, £55 for a year. I mean, what is our council tax for? If not including such things such as collections. I mean, does anyone else pay for it in their area? Because if they don't, it might well be coming soon. I mean, honestly. I mean, we're not going to be paying for it, that's for sure. We'll just have to take it to the dump. But yeah, £55 a year. And then on top of that, we're paying council tax. Well, it's quite frustrating, to be honest. Next, they'll be charging us for collecting bottles and cans. Oh, it's spiky. It needs cutting back, it needs taking out. It's not, I don't want it. Don't want brambles. I love blackberries, but I'm not keen on the thorns, and I'm not keen on the, you know, how it kind of just spreads, because there's one great big line going that way. So it has to go. Oh yeah, and this whole payment, I think it's from January 2024, so obviously I'll make use of the collections until after Christmas, or until the last one in 2023. one bramble gone. I mean, that's it there. I haven't got room in there anymore. I need to bring another bag, but that's really good. So 2 big brambles have gone. Yeah. So on the next one, I'm going to deal with all the sweet corn, put it all in the compost now that that's ready. And there's a wheelbarrow of, but you know what, it's really windy. I can't even talk. Gosh. Yeah, like I said, yeah, start filling up that compost bin that I've put the cardboard in, and hopefully it doesn't rain and I can strim when I come on the next one. So with that in mind, I'm off now. Got to go and get lunch. It's the weekend, but you know, hope you all had a lovely weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.